It's not even the diving bird. I have no clue what kind of bird that is. It doesn't even look real. It looks like a toy. Right?
Mm-hmm. Oh no, he's moving back because he don't like camera.
Well, that's okay. Maybe he'll turn. I think he decided we didn't have food.
I told you, he thought that we have food. That's why he's coming this way.
If I went down there, he probably. Oh, here now he's coming back. There you go. Come here, bud. Oh, look, he's going faster now. There
Oh,
you go.
he's cute.
Yeah, he's just, I've never seen that bird. I can't even tell where the eyes are. Cool looking. Watch his little feet though. Can you tell? I can see his feet under the water. It's funny. But he doesn't look like he's got webbed feet either. But he must, because he's moving pretty darn fast. He swims like he's doing the doggy paddle with a person. He's got chicken legs.
Oh really?
Yeah. At least from the view I have. Oh well. At least you got some of it. See now he's trying to take off. Will you get too close there? Scared?